What is the price to replace a battery in an electric vehicle, EV, that isn't covered by warranty? While owning an EV and a gas-powered car share some similarities, they also differ significantly in some key ways. Due to these differences, EVs have particular maintenance requirements that new EV owners must become accustomed to. An EV's battery is one of the major new maintenance requirements, so let's take a look at how much it will cost to replace an EV's battery if it isn't covered by warranty. If an electric vehicle's battery is not covered by warranty, how much could it cost? Green Car says that the cost of replacing an electric vehicle's battery will depend on the type of EV that needs to be replaced. This is due to the fact that larger, more powerful batteries cost more than their smaller, weaker counterparts. For instance, Tesla batteries typically have a capacity of over 100 kilowatt-hours, but replacing one without a warranty can run upwards of $20,000. The Nissan Leaf, on the other hand, has a battery with a much smaller capacity and a lower replacement cost, which hovers around $6,200 when there is no warranty. Currently, the cost per kilowatt-hour to replace a battery is around $137. This figure is based on current market conditions, and batteries should become less expensive soon. Additional factors to consider include labor costs and the overall cost of replacing an EV's battery. The main consideration is the price of the battery, but labor is also important. Compared to a gas-powered car battery, an electric vehicle battery is very different. As a result, it's unlikely that an EV owner will be able to make the swap themselves, even if they have a replacement battery. EV owners will need to hire professionals to handle that task, which will cost money. The price of labor will vary significantly when an EV battery needs to be replaced. EV owners should budget $2,300 or so for labor on average. If needed, the replacement procedure shouldn't take more than a day to complete. In general, the cost of the battery and labor is high, and if an EV isn't covered by warranty, people may have to pay thousands of dollars. Here are the average EV warranty terms and how long EV batteries last. The good news is that car manufacturers are well aware of this potential problem that consumers may experience. For this reason, a lot of automakers provide EV warranties that, up to a point, cover the cost of battery replacement. Like with any other warranty, the terms will vary. Depending on the automaker, the EV battery may be covered for up to 5 years or 60,000 miles, or up to 10 years and 100,000 miles. Batteries are distinct from engines in that they will degrade over time. Some batteries may hold less charge after extensive use, but some automakers are aware of this. When the battery in your electric vehicle, EV, gets to a certain percentage of its full charge, some manufacturers will replace it. Tesla performs this when the battery is 70% charged to its maximum capacity. That said, EV batteries can last anywhere from 10 to 20 years. This implies that it is possible to use an EV after its warranty has expired. This is not a smart move because it will force EV owners to pay for their own battery replacement or purchase a new vehicle.